Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we are talking about Mara and Bitcoin and how they correlate with each other and how you could potentially make some money off of that. And it all starts right now. My name's Johnny. Welcome to the Investing for Beginners community, where I talk about how you can beat the stock market. I show you ways to do that, and thanks for joining. All that I ask is you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So today we're looking at Mara, okay? Made a huge dip, and this is an opportunity for us to potentially buy. Now, for all of you who are new here, I do talk about more monthly paying stocks or stocks that pay monthly income. But recently I have been transitioning into day trading and swing trading to just get a little bit more of a boost on my yearly profits. Instead of making 10 or 20% a year, I can now make 10 or 20% a month, which is pretty cool. If you guys want to learn more, I do have some videos showcasing how to day trade for beginners. And if you're not here for that, you can watch some of my other videos that show you how you can make money every single month investing in companies such as, Gladstone and Stag, stuff like that. Maine. So, okay, here's two directions that we're playing out right now. Let's go to the 4-hour. Now, Mara, guys, is basically correlated off of Bitcoin. Now we're going to pull Bitcoin up in just a second here. Let's see if we can do it. It'll show us Bitcoin Cash on here. It won't show us Bitcoin on here. What I can do is pull Bitcoin up in a new tab. Bitcoin. I'll just do it this way. Guess we can get on to Coinbase. Crypto. I do have an account with Coinbase for trading sake. Let's see, trade Bitcoin. Oh, I'm on my Coinbase account. Nice. Okay. All in all, they're up 165% in a year. In the past week, they're up 22%. And in the last hour, they're slightly down. So they're not down by much, but what we're playing off of right now is this little curve here. Yesterday's earnings and their news basically saying that they're going to have a lower than expected earnings. And we're just seeing if we can play this back up to the $30 mark and higher. It has previous lows of $15, $17, and its new support is $22. It's looking to try to find its new support here at the $26 mark, but hasn't been able to establish. Now, what I think is going to happen is it's going to descend down further, either possibly to the $22 mark, and then it's going to break either down to the 16, maybe the 18, or it's going to show this reversal. It's going to come down. It's either going to stay here and not do anything, or if it breaks, come down to the 22-ish and go up and break past this 29.30 mark, and hopefully break to 32 and get us some new highs past that $34 level, which would be just fantastic. So this would be an area where we decide, like, okay, this is some resistance here, and this is an opportunity to maybe sell in this area. So you're looking at, if you were to buy today, which we're not, we're going to wait for confirmation, you could potentially still lose 10% or 15% or 50% of your portfolio if you bought today. Okay, that's not what we're looking to do. So what we want to do is wait for confirmation, not hopefully, but if confirmation does set here and it rides us out and it doesn't break, okay, we may buy a little here at the bottom. But what we really want is it to confirm that it's going to break past these levels and get newer highs. Once that confirms, then we could technically buy. Look at this. Look at the tick by tick. It's this huge sell-off, so it's going to go down. So say it doesn't break here, finds support and bounces, and you decide to buy somewhere around this area, you have a potential of a 40 or 50% increase over the next 2 weeks. Now, this is a swing trade. This is not a day trade. Now, you could day trade it, but it looks like you would want to probably short this today because the market's looking really, really bad. So that's a definite upside there, but I would definitely wait on that. Okay. Just for the simple fact that, let me pull up Robinhood. I like the way Robinhood's Bitcoin looks compared to coin. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I like this one. It's a little bit more retro. It looks really cool. Reminds me of like the 90s or something. I don't know. It's weird. So right now live, they are actually up in the past hour $20. For the day, they're down about 0.5% or $300, but it's been going up and down all day. Overall for the week, it's up 20%. Okay, and overall for the month, it's up 50%. So if you would invest it even just in January 29th, because today is February 29th, then you would have bought it at 43,000. It's now at 62,000. That's a $20,000 difference. It's pretty amazing, guys. I actually did. I bought in and sold. I bought at 60, 61 average down and sold and made a little bit of money there. I'm going to do it again as this begins to rise. We can look at Mara in correlation. Some of my investing for beginners out there, you'll be able to see this chart just a little bit easier here. Okay, so Mara's down 15% for the day. That does showcase here up top. Okay, I want to show you the correlation between Robinhood and WeBull for all of you who are interested. WeBull and Robinhood, if you want to sign up, they do give you free shares for signing up and depositing a minimum amount of money, anywhere from $5 to like $100. You'll get free shares, and you can use those to invest in the stock market. You could pull them out, use them to buy whatever you want. Now the links are below. You will get a free share when you sign up with the link. Now, if you don't use anyone's link, you'll still get access to these platforms, but you will not get a free share. Okay, so here we are. 100 be. I need to preset that. I like to trade in volumes of anywhere from 10 to 100. Mara is down 15%. So if it follows my trend line, which it looks like it's going to do, looks like it's going to break past this anyways. So on a 5-minute chart, it's just been a huge sell-off day. Today has just been selling off. 15% down. And I'm just waiting. I got 1,500 in the small account here, which has actually grown. We are now a day away from March. We did meet our February goal, which was to get it to $2,000. Now, remember, we started this challenge back on January 1st, where we're going to be growing this account. What was it, 20-30% every single month. So that is going to be awesome. Additionally, we are making sure that we hit those $1,000 targets every month as well. So it's a really cool challenge. Say we make 400 that month, we're only putting 600 out of our own money to meet that $1,000 mark. So once we start making, say, $800 a month, $1,000 a month with this small account, We'll no longer have to invest our own money. It'll actually be investing its own money into itself and growing. The goal here was to get this small account on Robinhood from 0 to 1,000 by January, and then February from 1,000 to 2,000. We are now at, I believe, for the end of this month, let's check. Yep, we are now at $2,003, up $441 all time. Had a slight dip this morning doing some other trades, which is quite all right. It is going to happen. But if you want to see the video on SCHD and how we're doing the $5 a day average down, we are almost at 3 shares of that total, just investing $5 a day, and we're barely ending the second month of the year, which is just crazy to me. If we have 3 shares in 2 months, that means by the end of the year, we will have a significantly more. So that is awesome. That's awesome. We'll have 12 shares by the end of the month of SCHD, which will be bringing in a significant amount of dividends. Let's see, SCHD, dividend payout. That is going to be $2.66 per share. They pay out every 3 months. So the next one will be in March, June, September, and December. Looks like the cash amount was 74 cents, which is awesome. Okay. See this right here. SCHD, ex-dividend date. Looks like it hasn't showcased any new declarations for this year, but it looks like they do around March, and looks like the last one was 74 cents. So this one around, I'll have 3 shares at 74 cents. So just say 75 cents, $1.50, $2.25. So make $2.25 on SCHD, which is pretty cool. We could actually check it out real quick. SCHD, 76 average cost portfolio, about 41% at the moment, just because I have so much buying power for this upcoming trade. And then total return right now is $3 on $212. So I have $3 already from appreciation in the last year to date. As you can see here, it's up 3%, so we're up with it roughly, trailing behind it slightly. And if you guys want to see more in detail about this, you just let me know and I could do another video. I'm going to be making another video soon anyways. And I wanted to show the reoccurring investment deal here. As you can see, average share price is $76.69. You invest $100 in the last month. We have 2.61 shares is what it's saying. We have a little bit more than that now. And you'll invest $1,250 by the end of this year into this one company. So yeah, if we're almost at 2 shares or 2 and some change, almost at 3 shares right there, then that's $2 for that quarter. The next quarter will be like more like 5. The quarter after that will be more like 750. By the end of the year, we'll have 1,200 in this. Hopefully about 5% appreciation, so about maybe 1,400. So a couple $100 in appreciation, and then also that's what 5. That's 2, 5, 7, 15, 20, possibly $20 or so in dividend income for the year. So pretty cool strategy. Just doing $5 a day. It's a great start for anyone who wants to get started investing. Links below. And as you can see, we are making new lows on Mara. New lows, okay? This can get a little bit more technical, guys. As we do this, it can. As you start learning, these will get more technical. You can start, saying, okay, I'm going to invest $5. Now I'm going to grow my money from $5 to, $100 or $300. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I'm going to continue to watch Mara and wait to get in at a good opportunity. It looks like we might even see lows as low as $22, $23, which would just be fantastic for us to get in and buy. It looks like they tested the waters here. So there's a few areas that are still going to be testing. I'm going to take this one out, and it looks like right now this may be the zone that we look at trying to buy in if it gets to this area. Which is pretty great, guys. Imagine getting a $35 stock on Bitcoin at 22-ish dollars and then writing it back up, making $10 to $12 on every 20 bucks you invest. Okay, check this out. Okay, this is just hypothetical. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, obviously, and this is just showcasing what I may or may not do and how much you may or may not make if you were to invest at this point or this level. I will never tell you to buy, hold, or sell any stocks. That's not what I do. This is all just for financial education, just for fun. So, 45%, you can make 45% potentially in these two lines in a matter of, who knows, it could be a week, it could be a month, but 45% is an amazing number, okay? So keep that in mind when looking at these companies. All right, guys, short video today. Thanks for watching, sticking around. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe so you don't miss out when I go live Monday mornings. Every Monday morning I go live and you can see me trade. All right, guys, subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.